As a global food producer, Ocean Spray was collecting data for compliance and quality reasons. However, they were collecting that data manually with paper and pencil. Operators needed a means of visualizing the data that they just gathered, and paper just couldn't do it. Once they deployed InfinityQS software, operators could view their data in real time. The InfinityQS charts and data visualizations provided much needed information to the operators. Instead of just trying to meet specifications, operators now had the information they needed to continually improve their operations. That is, they were able to finely tune their processes to a precise target, ensuring product consistency, compliance, and high quality. Ocean Spray began their InfinityQS implementation on one production line that produced craisins. In just 1 month, they improved process capability by more than 50%. The results thrilled their management team. The quality manager saw an opportunity to expand InfinityQS to more Ocean Spray cranberry plants. Now, Ocean Spray uses InfinityQS software to help standardize quality and compliance across those plants. The result has been a competitive advantage for Ocean Spray, as they are a supplier of dried cranberries to other food companies. And those companies, those customers know they can count on premier quality and unparalleled craisin consistency from Ocean Spray. By modernizing SPC with InfinityQS, Ocean Spray ensures their most important outcome: satisfied customers.